What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Now Brief. And Now Brief is a new thing added into Samsung Galaxy, and it's a little honestly hidden away. And I'm going to show you how to access it and add things that you want to see on there. So if you're curious what it's all about, if you tap right here, it shows you and gives you, depending upon if it's morning, evening, afternoon, whatever, there's a bunch of things that'll be in here that you've chosen. You can see, I can see my weather, and it tells me what the weather is going to be today. I can get a morning routine, like it's telling me to open up my camera right there. If I scroll down more, I can see that it's asking me to show me my events today. I can see news, and I can tap on it and just read the news article, or I can play some music on a Spotify playlist. So how do you access this? So first of all, let's turn it all on. If you swipe down from the top and go into settings up here, and then we just type in Now Bar, tap Now Bar, Now Bar again, you'll see Now Brief. Make sure that's turned on. If it's off, you want to turn it on. But then there's another whole piece. I don't know why it's not in exactly this location. We have to go to another location to turn it on even more. So we're going to go back, and we're going to go into Galaxy AI. Now, before I even go in here, you have to have One UI 7. If you don't see this and you're on One UI, 6 or something or before, you're not going to be able to do what I'm doing right here. We're coming in here, and we're going to see Now Brief. Tap on right there and expand Now Brief without unlocking. When you tap the Now Brief in the Now bar on your lock screen, you'll be able to view your full Now Brief without unlocking your phone. So you can turn that on or off. You can see a little feature right there on your lock screen. And content to include. This is where you can add things. So you can add in, I have all this stuff turned off, turned on. The only thing I have turned off is the moments, which is just going to be like photos and stuff like that. But otherwise, all this other stuff is turned on. So it'll potentially show me any and all of these things, or things that it thinks I want to see. So I have all those things on. And then you go home, and I have a widget here. I'll remove it right now so you can see. If you want to add a little widget, just press and hold, go into widgets, and it should be somewhere in here. Mine's showing up at the top, but it might be in alphabetical order for you. Just look for N for Now Brief. But once you find it, just tap it, tap again, and then hit add. And you have this, again, this brief that will be added almost like an app to your home screen. And you can add this in here. And when you tap on it, you have, again, a list of things going on for your day. You can also access it from this sidebar over here. And it's right here, so I can just tap on it, same thing. If you don't see it in that sidebar, you can swipe over, tap on the pencil, and then you can just search for Now. It should pop up over here. It doesn't show up for me because I already have it added. But if I didn't, you should just be able to tap on it and it would add over to the right. So that's the other way to add it. So there you guys go. That is the Now Brief. You can access it all throughout the day with different information as the day goes on. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.